3 things you must have if you carry concealed. If you carry a concealed firearm, you already understand the responsibility that comes with it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most carriers walk out the door missing at least one critical item. An item that could make or break you in a real-world encounter. Today, I'm giving you the 3 things every responsible concealed carrier must have and why skipping even one of them puts you behind before the day even starts. Carrying isn't about gear, it's about preparedness. It's about understanding that the threat you face is rarely the threat you imagined. And when things go bad, they go bad fast. These 3 items aren't accessories, they're life support equipment for you and for the people you care about. The 3 things you should absolutely have if you carry concealed are a spare magazine, a lockbox or safe for securing your firearm, a bleeding control kit. Simple list, serious reasons. Let's break each one down. The first is a spare magazine, and it matters for 2 reasons. Number 1, you may need more ammunition than what's in your gun. If you live in states like New Jersey, where you're limited to 10 rounds, you're already at a disadvantage. I've had people ask me, how many rounds do you actually need? My answer, enough until you need more. No one in a real fight ever said, I wish I brought less ammo. Number 2, a spare magazine is the fastest fix for many malfunctions. Yes, you can clear a malfunction or stoppage with your existing mag, but if the magazine itself caused the malfunction in the first place, you're relying on faulty equipment while someone is trying to harm you. And seconds matter, folks. So if you're trying to mess with a magazine and figure out what's wrong, that's critical time that you're wasting. A spare magazine gives you a second chance, and in a violent encounter, second chances are rare. The second item is a lockbox, safe, or some secure way to store your firearm when you can't carry it. The reality is this: whether it's a sensitive place restriction, for example, New Jersey, New York, Maryland, California, the list goes on, or simply somewhere you choose not to carry, your gun still needs a home. And if that home is your vehicle, then that firearm must be unloaded, safely stored, and locked inside a secure container. Think of the saying, your gun is always somewhere. If it's not on you, where is it? A vehicle lockbox helps prevent theft, unauthorized access, and the nightmare scenario where your stolen gun is used in a crime and traced back to you. Responsible carry doesn't end when you step out of your vehicle. It continues until the gun is secured. And third, a bleeding control kit. If you're carrying a firearm, you owe it to yourself and everyone around you to carry the tools that save lives. As a former paramedic, I've seen it firsthand. Most people don't die instantly from traumatic injuries. They die from uncontrolled bleeding before EMS arrives. A proper bleeding control kit includes things like a quality tourniquet, not a knockoff, occlusive chest seals, and hemostatic dressings like Quick Clot. If you or someone with you takes a bullet to the arm or leg, you're most likely going to need a tourniquet, and you're going to need it before the ambulance shows up. These kits are small, lightweight, and affordable, and they save lives, full stop. So the next time you carry, remember these 3 items that separate prepared citizens from hopeful ones: a spare magazine, a lockbox or safe, and a bleeding control kit. I'm Steve from Martell Training Group, retired New Jersey State Trooper, former paramedic, firearms instructor, and author of Defend Confidently. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and check out the description for links to the lockboxes, first aid kits, and my free personal safety and situational awareness checklist. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.